Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Meta AI on Instagram Meta AI quick tutorial. So let's get started. So here we are in Instagram, and then what we're gonna do from here is tap on the messenger button on the top right of our screen. And then once you're here, you wanna go into your chat. So right here, you can actually do this in Messenger, in WhatsApp, if Meta AI is available for your device or in your region. So all you have to do basically is type a message right here and just mention Meta AI. So you're gonna go for @Meta AI and it should appear right here. But as you can see, I don't have one because it is not available in my region. To check if it is available in your region is very simple. All you have to do is go here into in what countries is Meta AI available. You can just search it up in Google and you can see the countries or region that is available for Meta AI. As you can see, we have Australia, Canada, Ghana, Jamaica, Malawi, New Zealand, Nigeria, and so on and so forth. So yeah, this is basically how you do it. So I hope that it is available to your region. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.